Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at a Broan BBN2 insert. And what I want to show you today is if you ever need to get up inside this unit by the switches and the light assembly, how to go about getting there. The first thing, you always want to make sure anytime you go inside this unit to clean or to service the unit, make sure the power is turned off. Next, what you would do is you would remove the grease filters. There's two of them. This is a little latch, and you just push down on this, and the filters come right out. Next, what you would do is you would take this whole grill assembly out. You have to take the electrical box cover. That'll be the next step. So I'm going to go ahead, remove that electrical box cover. That's a 1/4 inch screw. Before I take the cover off, just want to show you, we have the motor connection here. What you can do is you can unplug that motor. This is just a squeeze. It's a quick connect. You also have a service switch here. You can turn this unit off by hitting the service switch. That gives power to the unit. Next, what we're going to do to get this cover off, there's 4 screws. There's 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and I'm going to go ahead, these are 1/4 inch screws as well. I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out. It's a very nice unit to work on. Pretty simple, not complex. Once the 4 screws are out, this unit just lifts off like so. And now you have access to the switches. The switches are held in by 2 screws. So if you undid those 2 screws, the switch assembly will come out. This whole plate, you can undo this plate by taking these screws. This plate comes off. Gives you a little bit more room. Everything that you see here is quick connects. The lights are quick connect. Again, just squeeze on it and they pull apart. So very simple unit to get up into. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.